You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, yeah. See, I didn't even know.
Drugs and guns go together.
Yeah. I respect it, man. Respect it, man.
That's 63.
Sorry.
Couple 40 days in the rear of 47 North Wing. You have a card for her, have him come this way. Hey, come here. Where are you going? Got one.
On August the 17th, 2023, at approximately 12:21 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police Safe Streets Unit were on routine patrol when they observed two men walk out of a known drug house. The officers performed a Terry stop on the men a short distance away from the house to investigate this possible drug-related activity. One of the men made the foolish decision to attempt to run. This situation was further complicated by the fact that the officers had been ordered by command staff to attend a community cookout later that day at 3 p.m.
So no bike today.
Just you two?
Yeah, just for right now. And we got an event at 3, so I gotta get this done by 3, whatever it is.
I guess sometimes grilling hot dogs is more important than fighting crime.
Gentlemen, come here. What are you gonna split? Come here. Come here. Come here.
I ain't doing nothing, man. I'm talking about
What are you gonna split?
nothing.
You're talking about splitting.
Nothing. Nothing at all, sir.
You don't have anything on you? Don't you drop that?
I'm trying not to drop it, bud.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to see the got kicks in.
Okay.
Sorry.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing, man. I'm just walking with him. I
What
promise
are you guys getting ready to split?
Nothing, man. He was just talking to me about split, like split. Like split, like leave.
Not splitting dope or anything,
No,
right?
no, I swear to God, man.
You guys got any guns on you?
No, sir, man.
You have to patch you down for guns?
No.
We just had somebody drop a gun on us yesterday. I just want to make sure.
No,
you
you
have
did.
guns.
Yeah.
Just put your bag down. Thank you. Put your hands behind your back. You're not under arrest. That's just how I'm going to pat you down, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm just falling in here, man.
You guys live here?
No, I'm with him. I don't know if people live here.
Who lives here?
I don't know. I'm here with him.
You have any guns in your backpack?
No, sir.
Why don't you put your backpack down, partner?
No.
I'm not going to get stuck by a
No,
needle,
no,
am I?
no.
Okay, alright. Because I've been stuck before. I don't want to get stuck
Oh, no,
again.
sir, I don't think, no.
You don't think?
No,
Or you know?
No, I mean, like, I didn't say I don't think.
What, you got cigarettes in there?
Yeah, yeah.
You mind if I see your cigarettes real quick?
Yeah.
You okay, Paul? Okay. Just one cigarette?
Yeah, that's all right.
Nothing crazy? Yeah.
Well,
When I
that's
start
fine.
feeling plastic, I get a little antsy. I just want to make sure I'm not going to get stuck or poked by
you're good,
anything.
I'm just wanting to smoke that. I look around those pockets.
No, that's fine.
man.
That's fine. Here, just step over here for me if you don't mind. Just
Can I
step
my cigarette?
over- Yeah, go ahead, but step over here for me.
What's wrong, man?
Well, you guys are leaving a drug house. That's why we're talking to you. And then when we're here, you guys are talking about splitting something. So then we started getting a little nervous about whatever.
Talking about splitting, we ain't got nothing, man. But I came here with him and shit, people. So.
Okay. There's no guns in your bag.
Right here.
Do you mind if I look in the back for guns? That's all I care about is guns.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do care about guns.
That's all you care about. I mean,
When someone drops a gun on me yesterday, leaving a dope house, I do care about guns.
I understand you do, but
I'd rather not get shot.
yeah, but
Make sense? You understand what I'm saying?
yeah, but no, but that's like every people. So we got to the church and what? We probably got a little bit of drugs on it. I don't know if there is or not.
I can't.
We probably got a little bit of drugs on it. I don't know if there is or not.
You said you do?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if there is something. Not from here, but nothing. I'm here with him.
You might have drugs on there.
I don't know, sir. I'm being honest with you, but sorry about the smoking face. I apologize, sir.
When's the last time you used drugs?
Huh?
When's the last time you used drugs?
This morning.
What's your first name, partner?
Adam.
Huh?
Adam. I don't know my social or nothing, man. Okay.
What's your last name, Adam?
I'm conscious, and I'm high school H. Man, listen, I got, and dude, when I hit my head, I don't even remember. Listen, man, I'm not bullshitting you. I don't even know his name. What's your name?
No, I'm not asking his name. I'm asking
Oh, I
your
don't
name.
know. I don't remember my last H.Y. I can't remember, man.
Heisel?
Heisel.
Heisel?
Yeah. I get, man, I hit my head. I swear to God, but sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm just trying to get income.
I got head problems.
What's your date of birth, Adam?
I don't remember. 9/17, baby.
9/17 of 80?
Yeah.
So you're not sure if there's drugs in there?
No, it might be, man. I don't know. I'm just be honest with you.
Just stay still. Don't move.
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
For my safety. Am I going to get exposed to anything in there? Where are you going? What are you doing?
I'm scared, man. I'm scared.
Yeah, but stop moving around.
Here, man. There ain't no guns or nothing. There ain't nothing.
Okay, well stop moving around.
Okay,
Stand right here.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's what I'm asking you to do.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Right here.
I'm sorry.
Hey,
Right
sir, come sit down and just...
I'm sorry, sir.
Adam, come here.
Sorry, sir.
Stay right here. If you need to, just lean against here.
Okay.
Face this way.
Absolutely.
Keep your hands in front of you.
Okay.
Stand still.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Breathe.
Sorry.
You said there might be drugs in there.
I don't know. I don't know. There might not be. I don't know. It could be from earlier.
What did you use earlier?
I used fentanyl earlier.
Okay. I just want to get stand still, please.
I'm sorry. I'm just nervous, man.
You don't need to be nervous. Just
I'm sorry, sir.
stay there.
I'm sorry.
The reason I ask all those questions is because I don't want to get exposed
I
to
don't want you to
anything.
get nothing on you either, man. I got respect for you.
Especially with all this wind out here.
Yeah. I respect you, man. I got number of respect for you guys.
I appreciate that. So he had a bullet on him. That's why I'm asking like all these questions about guns and stuff. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. See, I didn't even know.
Drugs and guns go together.
Yeah. I respect it, man. Respect it, man.
That's 63.
Sorry.
Couple 40 days in the rear of 47 North Wing. You have a car clear. Have him come this way. Hey, come here. Where are you going? Got one. Stop.
I'm detaining everything, but we go on the cruise hold. Do not move. Do you understand me?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so scared, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Oh, God. Oh, my head.
Give me your arm.
I can't, my face. No, I can't get it, boss. I'm so sorry, guys.
You don't run. Now you're going to get charged
I'm so sorry.
running from the cops.
I'm so sorry. I'm so scared. Please help me, man.
Okay. Are you in the rear of 47 North Lane south of that, sir?
Oh no, this is somebody else. I'm kind of about 50 yards south of him.
All right. Thank you for not being stupid and running.
Okay.
I'm just ready to proceed on with my day.
Sir, your medic's en route.
Come here. I want to keep your eye on you.
We can sit outside, please. Actually, over here, out here in the alley.
Okay, shut down.
Right here.
You'll need to cruiser.
Spray that's fine.
9 a.m. We'll keep running it in so I can divert some traffic. Okay, copy.
We're in the alley, just north of Broadway. Yep, 90 City. Sarge needs help. I'm good. He needs help. Sit down right here, Paul, from the boss. Just pop his bottle. I got you. I'm gonna help you down. No,
I'm trying to get down.
I know.
I got a bag.
I got you. You're good. I'm gonna throw him in your cruise real quick.
I'm not going to do anything stupid, Walt.
Sit down.
Okay, anybody still running, then shut it down. You're with both officers?
We're good. Thank you. Yeah, this dude was acting stupid. I had to leave my coat, my detainee in.
You alright?
So, yeah, we're good. This guy's. He's gonna need a medic. So on level 1, no man.
You heard it all?
No, I'm good. Let's play stupid games. Yep.
Stop moving.
Donate two.
Please,
Sir.
guys, do you have anything in your shoes? You got your shoes, Bob?
Nothing, sir.
I can finish the search, Sergeant, if you want.
Nothing, sir.
I'll get that here in a second.
You guys got paperback? Oh, perfect. Can you hold this? This Sergeant's camera came on. I'll take this
Oh,
one.
I have one bag.
Thank you.
You need anything, Sarge?
No, we're just going to verify them and figure out what we got and then go on from there.
Alright. See ya.
Or whatever he had. I just saw his hands the whole time. He kept digging in that pocket where the needle was, so he's trying to hold on to that when he was running. But
Right. You still got it in you. You just told me like 20 minutes ago you're tired, and here you are.
I'm so tired.
North of Broad.
But when they run, I can't help it. I didn't get a chance to growl or bark at him.
You're gonna run, aren't you?
It's a bug. Yeah. Well, they put their bikes down. So no bike today.
Just you two?
Yeah, just for right now. And we got an event at 3, so I gotta get this done by 3, whatever it is.